Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word accolade, its meaning, definition and the example. Accolade. The definition of accolade is an award or privilege granted as a special honor. The synonyms of accolade are praise, award, respect, acclaim. Now let me show the example of accolade word in sentences are: the New York Awards are the media industry's highest accolade. It was merely a sporting accolade, albeit one which was very well known. This is a tremendous accolade, having been runners-up last year. There is nothing to show whence came dubbing or the accolade. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.